Welcome to Click and Learn YouTube channel.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Ford X-Max, I think 2012 model. Basically customer breakdown on the roadside, no coolant there. Then they contact their breakdown people and breakdown people suggestion to change the radiator. Because people can do mistake, that's why I'm going to point this one. I'm not going to show you how I'm going to do the repair. I'm going to explain what happened here. Have a look when you come into the radiator. Around the bottom area you can see pink color mark. Because of that pink color mark, they might be say to him he need to do the radiator. But I'll check with my mirror underneath this hose. Have a look. You can see pink color mark underneath the hose connector. Yeah, basically they diagnostic and they said he need to do the radiator. I already ordered the parts. I'm get ready for the job, but while the part on the way, I have a tiny doubt of this car because I leave it running 5-10 minutes and I'll check again, and I want to make sure before I do the job it's okay, because after the job I don't mind to do the job because I didn't do the diagnostic. If customer say, Charlie, still the problem there, then I can say, look, I didn't do the diagnostic. You ask me, I have a text message, you ask me, then I can away from the problem, but it's not nice. Personally, I don't like to do that way. That's why I left it running until the part come. I found the problem, not the radiator. Have a look this side. You can see water split from there. See, it's dripping here. Basically, it's dripping underneath the water pump. I can confirm this car doesn't have any problem with the radiator because that water split out from the water pump and it's split to the radiator. That's why all radiator side pink color mark, because that water split to the belt, take a water to the radiator. Anyone can do like that mistake, but careful when you do the diagnostic. Make sure 100% do the correct job. I'm confirming this vehicle need to do water pump, not radiator. I can do the water pump and I can scratch the head and I can say to the customer, look, I'm sorry, you need to do the water pump also well. But customer don't going to open the mouth because customer they request me to do the radiator. But I'll leave it with you. I'm not going to more comment, but this is 100% need to change the water pump. Thank you. See you in the next video.